In today's video, I'll show you how to create a high impact opening where intense light flares burst across the screen and slam your video into view with dramatic force. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro so the impact feels deliberate. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Flare Terror, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, aggressive light flares flash and collide, revealing the video underneath with a chaotic and powerful feel. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how violent the impact feels. Shorter duration makes the flare hit sharp and explosive. Longer duration spreads the motion out, making it more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the flare hit lands with your music or visual cue. And that's it. You've successfully added a flare terror impact reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.